Swank is a platform where you can access feature films held by the library. To access Swank, click the Articles and Databases link, then scroll down to find Swank. Enter your MyChafee portal information to access the database. Select Student to access the films. Select Instructor to create an instructor account, which allows you to save films and recommend additional titles for the library to purchase. You can select any title on the home screen, or you can search for a title in the search bar. Once you have selected a title, click the play button in the center of the screen to play the film. To turn on closed captions, click the gear in the lower right. To get a direct link to a video, click Copy Direct Link. For more help with using library databases, please contact us.